Welcome to Boundless Geek YouTube channel. Today's video is part 2 of WordPress series. In this video, we will cover all the links in dashboard. All links like post, pages, media, comments, appearance, plugins, and all settings of dashboard. In part first, we will have covered WordPress installation. So you can see this is fresh WordPress installations. We covered this part in first video. And now in second video, I will cover all these links like how to create post, category, pages, how to show all content on front end. This is front end of the website. This is front end, and this is home page. This is home page of the website, and the theme is default theme. So I will tell you everything about the admin part, all regarding all links, all content, and how to add and change contents for the front end part. Okay, so first of all, I will tell you like we have after installations we have 12 tables in database. So when we install fresh database we have 12 tables. You can see tables prefixes demo. As I told you, on the installations process we can change table prefix. I have updated that demo underscore. So you can see all the tables, demo users to store all the users meta, team taxonomy. So just view these tables and I will cover the details in next videos. Today I will cover everything regarding dashboard. So let's start. So first of all, we have a WordPress link in the left corner. So in this link we can get information about the current version of the WordPress. Like we have 5.7 version, you can see. So if I click on this, it will show us all the details regarding WordPress 5.7. You can see we have 4 tabs like what changes they have made in 5.7 and what are new things, what they have removed, what bugs they have fixed. So everything regarding 5.7 is here. You can read according to your time. And the second tab is credits, like who made contributes on this like 5.7. These are contributors. And third is freedoms, like open source. It is open source, so they have made some changes like first person freedom, second person freedoms. WordPress is open source. So fourth one is for privacy. They have some privacies, so you can read them. Now the second link is for the front end side link. You can see widget site. If you will click on it, it will open as this one. So this is front end side. This is home page of the front end side. You can see the URL. Boundless Geek my project URL and demo is my site. So I have created this site as demo. You can see demo site. Now this icon link is for comments. If someone made any comment on your post on your page, it will appear here. So right now it is 0. That means you don't have any comment on the page, post or anywhere on the site. So this is shortcut. The new is shortcut for to add any post, to add any media, any page or any user. So you can add them from here, these menus, but it is shortcut of to add these things. Now come to this one. This is dashboard link. So in dashboard, home is like regarding all the details of the site. All details means like we have how many we have post, how many pages, how many comments, like which WordPress is running right now and which theme we are using right now. So you can see all the details here, like all the activities recently published. So you can see all the activities on the dashboard. And the next one is updates. In updates you will get all the informations and notification regarding the updating of the plugin and themes. Right now we have all the updated plugins, so you cannot see any plugin name here. Same as theme, we have all updated themes, so we can't see any theme name here. So this is for update notifications. You can see the current version is 5.0 and the last checked on March 29, 2021. So we can check if we have new version 5.8 in the market. We can check from here, like check again. So it will check now if we have any new version. So we don't have any new version, we have latest. So we can reinstall this version now, you can see here. But we have latest, so we don't have any notifications. Now come to post. So in the post we have 4 sub menus. Like we can see all post from here. If I go to all post, you can see all the posts here. Like one is default post, that is hello world. You can see category, default category is uncategorized. Default author is admin. And there is one comment only, that is published or approved. That's why we can't see any comment here. And we don't have any tags on this post, that's why it is empty. So second menu is for add new post. We can add new post from here, also we can add from here. And you can also see all the filters here, like this post is published, so we can see all the like we can edit multiple posts, we can move all the post or multiple posts to trash, we can delete them, we can filter according to their category, we can filter, we can search by their title. So now I will tell you how to add a new post. You can see we have single post here. You can see we have single post, that is default post. It is published on 28th of March and it is uncategorized category. You can see it. If okay, so we can add new post from here. So this editor is in latest WordPress. So I prefer classic WordPress creator. Okay, so first of all install classic editor. Let's go to admin part. On the plugins, we can check all the installed plugin here, like 2 plugin installed. If we want to add any new plugin, then click on new. For example, we are installing classic editor. This one. This is classic editor. Now I will install it. So now it is installed. Now I will activate it. So it is activated, you can see. The classic editor is activated now. Now I will go to that add new post. So you can see that is classic editor. So it is very friendly, and actually I will suggest you to start on the classic editor first. Then you can move to default latest 5.7 editor. So we have one post, you can see. I will add another post. Post name is test post and description will be so I have added test descriptions, and we have only one category. The category name is uncategorized, and we can also add a new category. Like if you want to add new category, then you can add from here. Like category will be test category, and if we want to add this category as parent, then leave it right as whatever it is. Otherwise you can choose its parent category. So we are adding it as parent category, so it is added, you can see. So here we have description box, title box, and this will be final URL of the post. You can see we can change this permalink, and I will show you how to change this permalink. And now you can see all the format of this page. We have these multiple formats, and I will cover these all formats in next videos, because in this video I will tell you only introduction of all links. So we have added new category, test category. We can add tags like test add demo, and we can add multiple tags, and we can also add featured image on this post. So we can add featured image. So let's download featured image from Unsubplace. I prefer download image from Unsubplace, that is absolutely free. So I will download it. this one. This is downloaded now. It will take few seconds. Okay, it is downloaded now. So I will add a set of featured image. We have media library, we don't have any image, so I will upload from my system. The uploading maximum size is 2 MB. We can change it to whatever we want according to our requirement. Like I will check it, its size is, okay, let's check it if it is 2 MB or more than. So you can see the error. The size of this image is more than 2 MB. So we will download only 2 MB image, and I will tell you how to change the size of this uploading in the next videos. So let's download a small image. Download small image. Download small image. So this is downloaded now. Now select it, small image. Select the small one. You can see it is uploaded successfully because its size is 55 KB only. We can add alt, caption, description, all these things on the image. These are very helpful for the SEO purpose. So set featured image, we have set featured image, we have added tags, we have added category, we have added title and description. Now I will publish it. You can make it in draft, you can make it public and password protected also. You can publish it later anytime. So I will cover these things later. So you can see we have published this test post. It is published now. You can see test tags of demo and test. Category is test category, and if I will refresh this page, I will see the latest post. Our post is test post. You can see the image, and also you can see the content of it. If I will click on it, it will go to detail page. Detail page looks like it. We have also have a option to comment. Actually I already logged in as an admin, that's why I can't see the email and name and all the detail for the comments. So if I will open this page to incognito mode, this one, sorry, logged in, a new browser. So if I open it on this browser, not, I think it is something down. Okay, let me tell you by logout. If we logged out and we check this page, you can see it will ask name, email, website, and all other details. So any user, any visitor can comment on this post, or we also can add this comment box on any page, any any page, any post, anywhere on the site. So I will log in it again. I will log in it again. Admin 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so I told you how to add new post and how to change. We can also modify this, like we can edit it, we can edit anything whatever we want. So now let's come to category. We can add category from this also, like if we have already test category and categorize category. So if we want to add any category, we can add from here. We can also make different slug of the categories. Slug means the URL will be shown in the URL. This is slug. You can call this is slug, and also this part is slug. This is slug of the post. Same as we can change, make different slug of the category descriptions. And now comes to tag. We can delete and we can add tags from this also. We have two tags only, demo and test. We can add tag from here and we can select on the post directly, or else we can add directly on the post. We have added the two tags on the post directly, and we can see here. We can add it and delete them. And you can see the count is 1 1. That means this demo is used only once in a post. That's why its count is 1. If I will use this demo to another post, then its count will be 2 3 4 5 6. So this is completely post part, how we have created post, how we have modified post, and how can we show them on the front end side. This is our front end side. How can we add it? Now come to next part, that is media. So we have two things in media. First one is a library. Library means we will have all the photos, PDF files, document files, everything whatever we have uploaded through pages and posts. So you can see this image, we have uploaded this one from the post. So you can see all the details here, like uploaded on what time, uploaded by, uploaded to. So you can see all the details. You can edit it also, like all text, its caption, descriptions, everything. And the second is add new. So we can also upload multiple photos, multiple documents from directly here. Like, yeah, like we can select multiple photos and multiple, like I will select it again and it is uploaded. Now you can see, if I go to library, you can see another photo. And we can also check if this media is attached to any post or page or not. If we can make them by filter, like you can see, if you want to filter only images, you can go to images, audio, video. We have multiple types with images and according to date and months. So this is library. And now come to the again menu, that is pages. So we can see all the pages of the website here. Like we have two default pages now. The first one is privacy policy. That is not published. It is draft. Draft means we can modify it without publishing, and it is not published. It is not shown on the website. This is sample page, and this is shown on the. This is published. So you can see on the website front page now. And we can add a new page from here. Same as we have added post, you can add a test page, and you can add test page descriptions. Same, you can choose a featured image if you want, like I will choose this one. I choose featured image. And if I want to make this page a child of any page domain, then we can choose parent of this page. Like sample page is already created, then we can choose sample page as parent of this page, but I will make it as parent. Same as post, we can make it in draft, we can publish it, we can make it password protected from here, password protected private, and also we can make it publish later. Like if I will set any date, and it will be published on that time or that date automatically. But for now, I will make it publish. So I published it, and its URL is this demo test page. If we want to see this page, then we can click on view page. This one, this page. Now we don't have any menu. That's why we can't see this page directly on the front end, because we don't have any menu. You can see here this is, because if we will add any menu here, then you can see this page or all pages here in the menu. So now the next is comments. On the comment section, we can see all the comments, all the approved comments, all the published comments, all the comments which are pending. Like you can see pending comments, approved, spam, trash. So we have one default comment. If I will add any comment on this page, then it will come here. And we can make setting on the comments, like it will be published automatically without approval of admin, or it will be published only after approval of admin. We can make different kind of settings, and I will cover all these things in next videos. And now come to appearance. This is the main part of the designing and front-end layout of the site. So first of all, we have to go themes. So we have default three themes. The first one is 2021. That is right now active theme. You can see it is active. The second one is 2019. That is not active. And third one is 2020. So we can simply activate them by click on activate. Like I will click on activate. So this theme is activated. You can see new theme activated. If I will refresh on the page, you can see the difference. You can see the difference in the layout and design. Okay, so same as we can activate this one. Okay, now I will deactivate it again, and you can see the difference. You can see difference. So we can activate the themes because we have three default themes, and also we can add new themes. So I will cover this part in next videos. How can we add a theme? How can we add our custom theme? How can we customize any default theme? So I will cover these things in next videos. Now next link is customize. We can customize this default thing. Customize means we can change the site title, we can change site slogan, we can change widgets, we can change all the footer links, we can change these links from the customize part. So the first one is like site identity. Site identity include all the site title, site logo. We don't have any logo right now, you can see. If we want to logo, we can add logo here. Okay, let me try. uh, Suppose this one is our logo. Copy this. So you can see this is uploaded as a logo. Okay, so I will remove it for now because it's not looking good. So this is site title. We can update it here. Site title to this is updated to. We just need to make publish it. We can also add site icon. We can add site icon. So we don't have any icon right now. We can add site icon. So we can add all the title, icon, logo details on the site identity. Now we have next customize option is color and dark mode. We can change color of the theme. So like right now it is this one. You can see this color, and we can change it to any color, whatever you want. Like this one, changed. So I will make it default now. Like next one is background image. If you want to add any background image instead of this color, you can upload any image. And next one is menus. This one is important for now. So we don't have any menu right now, so we will add a menu from here, and in that menu we will add our pages and post and category, whatever you want. So I will cover it now. So next one is widgets. Widgets are there. These are widgets. We can add widgets anywhere on the site. Even we can add on the left sidebar, right sidebar, center part of the site. But most probably we add widgets on the footer or upper footer part. This is upper footer part. This is footer part. You can see all the 6 widgets here. Search one, recent post. I will cover these widgets in this video and later. So now it is home page setting. So what should become on the home page? Like right now on home page, we can see latest post. You can see this post and this post. So we can see latest post on the home page. We can make, you can see your latest post. So I will make it as static page. So I will choose sample page as home page. So I will publish it. Now you can see our sample page will be shown as home page. This is sample page. You can see this is sample page content. So we can change home page settings. Now back to your latest post, publish, and now additional CSS and expert settings. So I will tell you about this later when we do some customization work on the pages and post. Leave it for now. Additional CSS I will cover also on later videos where we do some layout changes or theme customization changes. We can add custom or additional CSS on here directly. And now come to widgets part. As I told you, we have 6 widgets right now. Like you can see, the first one is search. You can can see the first one is search. We can change it, we can change their title, we can change their values, we can change anything on there. These are widgets from here. Here, like you can change recent post, like right now we have, like I will add title recent demo. So you will see it will be updated here. So the default was recent post, and right now you can see title recent demo. So you can change anything whatever you want on the widgets from the widget section on the site. Also you can add any more widgets if you want. These are default widgets. Archive, audio, category, calendar, all these are widgets. You can add many as you want here. Now come to menus. So we don't have any menu on the site right now, you can see. And we don't have any menu right now here. So I will create a menu first of all. I will create a main menu. I will create it. Okay. These options are regarding like automatically add a top level page to this. So if I will select this one, then the new created pages automatically will be added here. So I will not select it because we will add pages manually here. So I will add these two pages, add to menu. Now these pages are added to this menu. Now I have created the menu, but I have not changed its location. So manage location. So primary menu is this. Primary menu will come here. So I will change primary menu is main menu, and I will change it. Now you can see we have menu. See, we have menu, and I have added two pages on the menu, test page and sample page. We can directly visit them pages. Click on test page. You can see test page. So this is menu part. We can add multiple locations here. It is custom work, so I will tell you in later videos. And also we can add multiple menus here according to our location. So I will also cover these custom menus in later videos. We can add our post on the menu also, like we have to post, we can add post. We can add custom links, like I will add custom links, https google.com, and the link will be Google. So I will add it here. You can see it is Google added. Now I will save it, and you can see this Google link here. If I click on it, it will go to Google. You can see it is going to Google. My internet speed is not good. Yeah, it's coming. And we can also add categories as menu. We don't have any category specific, so I will add this test category on the add menu. You can see this is test category we created for the post. Now I will click on save menu. You can see this category as menu. You can see this category menu. I will click on it. You can see category is test category, and all the post will come here. We have single post, that's why we can see only single post. Otherwise all the post will come here on this category page. So all things are covered in menu, and like these things and all custom menus, custom location will be covered in next videos. So now background already told you that we can change background of this. If this is default color, then we can make any, we can add any image, or we can add any text or image, anything. And next is theme editor. As I told you, if we want to make any custom changes on the theme, we want to change anything on the functions file, we want to change any one template file, then we can use this editor. This is default theme editor of the WordPress, and I will tell you about this in later videos, because this video is only introduction video. So we have covered in appearance and all the submenus of the appearance. Now come to plugins. As I already told you how to install plugin, we can see all the installed and activated plugin here. We have 3 plugins, and active plugins is one. This one is activated. We activated it just in 2-3 minutes before. And we have 2 inactive plugins. These are default plugins. These are 2 inactive. And we can also add a new plugin from this link or also this link. Both are same link. And as I told you, we installed a new plugin, this classic editor, so you can install it simply. And as theme editor, we have plugin editor. If you want to change anything on the plugins file, like choose any plugin from here, like we have installed classic editor, choose it from here, and we can make anything, we can change anything on this plugin, like just change anything and you can update here. So I will also like cover this part in later videos. This part will comes under like custom plugin development or custom plugin modification part. Now next is users. So on the users we have three sub menus. The first one is all users. On the all users we can see all the added or registered users. Like right now we have only one user, that is admin. So you can see admin username, admin name, email, role. Default role is administrator. So administrator is top level role. Administrator have all the rights, all the access of everything. And this admin has published two posts. You can see two posts. And we can also filter all the users according to their role. Like we have default subscriber, contributor, author, editor, and administrator. So we have default five roles. We can add these roles through custom code or through any third-party plugin. So we'll cover this part also in later videos. We can also search any user by their like username, their email, their mobile number. So we can add a new user from here. Okay, I will tell you how to add new user. The username should be unique and it is required. Test user. Email is also required. So test@gmail.com. The first name is test, then last name is same. Website will be test.com, and the password is default is this one. You can generate the strong password from here, but I will add a basic password that is 123456. It is very weak, so we have to confirm it. Now by this option it will send a registration email to this user. So I will uncheck it. So this user will be added as a subscriber. We can change the role of this user. Like if I want to add it as contributor, so I will add here. So you can see here test user, and its role is contributor. Its post is 0 because it has not added any post yet. And we can search from here like test. You can see I added test user username, and you can see all the details of the test user. On the profile, we can see the profile of the current user. Current user means logged in user. So right now we are logged in as admin. This is administrator. So we can see profile of this. We can change settings like visual editor. Disable the visual editor when writing. So we can disable visual editor for any specific user. If I will check it, the visual editor will be disabled. Same as syntax highlightings, you can check all these settings. You can add, we don't have any first name on the admin, then we can add first name, last name, we can add nickname, we can change anything, whatever we want regarding the current user. We can add some information, we can add any photo, and we can change or set a new password. Also, if this user is logged into multiple devices, then we can log out this from everywhere else. So this is regarding the user menu. All users add new profile. Now come to tools. Tools have some menus. Now come to available tools. So we have right now we don't have any tools. Right now we have categories and tags converter tool. We'll cover this tools work in later videos. Import is also a tool of the WordPress that is default. We can import and export post, pages, users, any content from one website to another website. So we can import the post of any other website to this website. So we'll cover later. And same as import, we can export anything whatever we want. Like we can export all content and we can export specific posts. specific, we can choose specific category, specific author, specific dates, and we can download export file. And this exported file will be imported to any other WordPress setup or any other site. We can also import these exported file to here, import method. And these menu will be covered in next videos. So next one is site health. Site health is a new tool on WordPress 5.7. So it is, you can see it is still loading. So right now it is checking our site if any critical issue or not. So now its results is like we have one critical issue. The critical issue is like your website does not use HTTPS. We are using our local and it is not HTTPS. You can see it is HTTP only. So your connection is not secure. So that's why it's showing us as critical issue. Now we have three recommendations. Like first recommendation is we have to remove inactive plugins. As I show you, we have two inactive plugins. So it is asking to remove them. And now inactive themes. It is also asking to remove inactive themes. And it is also one or more recommendation modules are missing. Some modules are missing. So this is very important tool for the new WordPress changes. So we can see everything, whatever like critical issue and all the improvements, all things on this page. Whatever on the info. Yes, we can see all the information of the site here, like which WordPress version is working. Like you can see WordPress version 5.7, language is this one. You can see all the details from here. You can see all the active plugins, inactive plugins. You can see all details. You can see database here. Like we have created database with name demo. Our table prefix was demo underscore as I show you. And the database collection is this. So you can see all the details here. That's why it is very important. Now come to export personal data. So leave it this also. We'll cover erase personal data. Will cover next videos. Now come to settings. Setting has also multiple submenus. Setting is also very important if you are like building a site. So you can change site title, tagline. Tagline means slogan. You can change here. Is we can change these things on the appearance customize, and also we can change these things on the site settings page. You can see our site URL this one, and our administrator email this one. We will get all the notification, all the updates from the WordPress on this email. And this is also important. If you want to register anyone, any visitor can register on your website. You can check it. After checking it, then any visitor can register on your website. And new user detail default subscriber. If you are adding new user, then its role will be subscriber by default. And site language is English, and you can change it to whatever you want. Time zone is default UTC 0. You can change according to you. Like in India, we can change Asia Calcutta. So where is Asia Calcutta? Asia. Here is Asia. This is in Kolkata. So this is my time zone. You can change it time zone. The time zone is very important. Uh, if when you want to show the published date on your post on your blogs, that time zone is very important. You can also change the date and time format. Like right now it is this format. This format you can change it, and you can also start your day from any of the day. Like it is starting from Monday default. You can change it. So we can change these settings on the setting page. Now second submenu is writing. On the writing we can change default category. As I show you, default category is uncategorized. We can make test category as default one, and default post format is standard. As I show you, we have multiple format layouts, and I told you I will cover these things in later videos. So default standards, and now default editor is classic because we have installed it. Otherwise it was block editor, so we can make it again block editor, but classic is good as I suggest. And also user to switch. Also user can like switch uh, between two editors. No, that means user will see only classic editor. If we will choose this one, then user can see both editors. He can choose according to his according to his. So now I will choose it now. So this is mail server details. So if we are using SMTP or any third party SMTP or Gmail SMTP, we can add details. If we will not add any SMTP detail, then the email will be sent by default SMTP of the server, which is not possible on the local server. And I will cover this in later video. And now come to reading. So reading settings means like you can change your default homepage or default post. Like right now we can see all the latest post on the homepage, and we can make any page as homepage. Like we can choose any static page as homepage, and we can, if we are using this option, then you can choose how many posts you want to show on the homepage. If you want to show 10, or on category page you want to 10 which is default. Otherwise you can make it to 12, 15, 13, 14. Same here, you can see all other settings. So if you try at your own, then you will get to know all these things. As I told you on the installation process, if you want to show your website in search engine or indexing of the Google, then you can check it. Otherwise uncheck it. And whenever your development is under process or website is under process, you want to show your website in Google indexing, then uncheck it always. Now come to discussion. On the discussions you will see other settings like all the post settings, and on the comment section you can see all settings regarding comment, like anyone can comment or not, any logged in user comment or not, like commented will be automatically published on the post or you have to approve it first. All these things here. So this is regarding email settings for the admin. So this is regarding also comment. You can check these settings according to you can make these settings and you can check on the front end. And now come to media. Media is also important. Like we have three sizes of the file on the media. Like first one is thumbnail size, second is medium file, third one is large size. So you can make their sizes by default. Like by default size is 150, 150. So thumbnail size will be 150 to 150. It is in pixels. So media size will be this and large size will be this. So you can make changes here. And now come to Permalink. This is also very important for the SEO. So right now we can see a page in the format of date and name. You can see, okay, let's come to this. You can see this one is date and name. So you can see permalink format. So we can change permalink format from here. If I make it plain means it will show as raw format, that is according to their ID. So I will change it. You can see. Now come to site. Now come to this one. So you can see it's raw format. It is coming by this ID. The 17 is post ID. So if I will change it post name, so it will show us like this. This is our project URL, and this will be the post title, post slug. So if I change it, go to home page, go to again. So you can see it is changed now. So it is very important for the SEO purpose. So you can change everything whatever you want regarding permalink here. You can also make any custom permalink structure here. You can try it your own. And now come to privacy. So privacy also the same as I told you on the about and help menu. So you can show the privacy structures. So these are basic things regarding dashboard to handling all the content on the front end side. The important was media, page, post category, and permalink setting generals and themes. These were very important to start a site, to publish a site. So I think it's enough for this video. And in next video, I will cover all these links very deeply, and will show you how can we change themes, how can we change layout, how can we add left sidebar, right sidebar, And enough for this video. Thank you so much guys.